Take 6 white pieces and put on 5. Like this. Now repeat that twice with yellow pieces. Now connect it like this. It should be like this. Same here. And here. It should look like this. Now add a row of inverted yellow pieces. Now add here a yellow piece, and here, and here. Now again add a row of yellow inverted pieces. Now add here 2 yellow pieces. Two here. And 2 here. And add one more row of inverted yellow pieces. Now add here a yellow piece, one here, and one here. And now add inverted pieces here and here. Now in the middle add a yellow piece, and 2 white pieces here and here. Now add a black piece here and here. Now add white pieces like this. Same here. Now add here 3 red pieces like this. Same here. Now add here 3 inverted pieces. And now add here 2 yellow pieces. And now add inverted pieces. Now add 1 yellow piece here and 1 here and on top, and 1 here and 1 here. And now add here 2 rows of yellow inverted pieces. Now add here 2 yellow pieces and 1 on top. Repeat the same here. And here. Now add here and here a row of yellow inverted pieces. And add here yellow inverted pieces. And now add 3 black pieces in the middle like this. And now for the beak, just glue a dark yellow piece here.